China wants to control
Tensions are rising fast.
virtually the entire sea.
International tribunal.
I believe to see that
following a coronavirus outbreak on
disputed sovereignty territory.
a Chinese ship was also recently seen.
China's spectacular claims territory it does not control.
Most people call Chinese crucial to the country's success, and its land has a lack.
Controversial, incredible amount of ships, and not long ago he was actually here. It's not going anywhere.
A big country is busy sneakily making a move on the South China Sea. Multiple sources reported that China stepped up patrols and naval exercises in the highly disputed South China Sea. China claims more than 80%, while Vietnam claims sovereignty over the Paracel Islands and the Spratly Islands, asserts ownership of the Spratly Archipelago and the Scarborough Shoal, while Brunei and Malaysia have claimed sovereignty over southern parts of the sea and some of Spratly Island. All these claims created based on the Exclusive Economic Zone (EEZ), whereby each country is entitled to a portion of the area starting at a distance of 200 nautical miles or 370 kilometers. The dispute of South China Sea has been started in the second half of the 20th century. It has been kept at bay with diplomatic agreement with all the countries that have a fair share of the South China Sea, which are China, Vietnam, Philippines, Taiwan, Malaysia, and Brunei. But it recently resurfaces in the last few years when China was seen building man-made island, which was the Spratly Island on the said body of water that was previously just a coral reef. It is a military base, but China claimed that it was only for their national security. Why China is so persistent in claiming that most part of the China Sea belongs to them? China voiced that South China Sea actually belongs to them based on ancient map that was drawn back in the 1940s, which is called the Nine-Dash Line. Nine-Dash Line refers to the undefined, vaguely located demarcation line used by the Republic of China or Taiwan and the People's Republic of China, which is China, for the claims of the major part of the South China Sea, extending to 2,000 kilometers from China mainland. Why is country fighting over the South China Sea? What is it with the vast small islands that is too small to be inhabited holds so much power for? It was more to what was lying underneath those clear blue water that the countries have their interest for. South China Sea is rich with natural resources in which the sea carries tremendous strategic importance. 1/3 of the world's shipping passes through it, carrying over $3 trillion in trade each year. It also contains lucrative fisheries, which are crucial for the food security of millions in Southeast Asia. Huge oil and gas reserves are believed to lie beneath its seabed. The South China Sea is an extremely significant body of water in a geopolitical sense. It is the second most used sea lane in the world, while in terms of world annual merchant fleet tonnage, over 50% passes through the Strait of Malacca, the Sunda Strait, and the Lombok Strait. Over 1.6 million cubic meters, equal to 10 million barrels of crude oil a day, are shipped through the Strait of Malacca. China, Vietnam, and Taiwan had claimed the Paracel Island, but China and Vietnam have both been vigorous in prosecuting their claims. China and South Vietnam each controlled part of the Paracel Islands before 1974. A brief conflict in 1974 resulted in 18 Chinese and 53 Vietnamese deaths, and China has controlled the whole of Paracel Islands since then. Geopolitically, the Paracel Island form a defensive layer for Hainan Island, which hosts the China's nuclear submarine there. The Spratly Islands have been the site of a naval clash in which over 70 Vietnamese sailors were killed just south of Chigua Reef in March 1988. Disputing claimants regularly report clashes between naval vessels. China also claimed the Scarborough Shoal. However, the region is close to the Philippines. With their massive military, China had forcefully took over the region in 2012, while the Philippines policymakers are expecting United States as their friend to defend territory as signed in the defense agreement between the two countries. However, Obama did not do what US was supposed to do, instead verbally criticized China's action in invading the Scarborough Shoal. The Filipino government had brought this issue to the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, UNCLOS, in 2013. The Filipino government had brought this issue to the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, UNCLOS, in 2013. China viewed the main subject matter at issue as political and beyond the tribunal's jurisdiction and competence. The Philippines characterized the subject matter in dispute as having to do with the interpretation and application of UNCLOS and therefore within the competence of the tribunal. As a result of this difference of views, the tribunal needed to assess whether it has jurisdiction to handle the merits of the Philippines' submissions. The tribunal concluded with the Philippines that UNCLOS leaves no room for the assertion of historical rights, and that China's assertion of historical rights of living and non-living resources within the 9-dash line is incompatible with the convention. However, China remains steadfast in continuing to strengthen its control over the region, despite the warnings from US and other countries involved in the dispute over the region. Generally, China has preferred to resolve competing claims bilaterally, while some ASEAN countries prefer multilateral talks, believing that they are at a disadvantage in bilateral negotiations with the much larger China, and that because many countries claim the same territory, only multilateral talks could effectively resolve the competing claims. The reason why we wanted to bring this matter to light is because we think that many people, even in the ASEAN countries, are not very much aware of the dispute and how the tension peak at time that our national security is on the line. China is such a big power in Asia and the whole world. Every little thing that they decided to do will surely affect us. Thank you for watching and have a great day.